Hello, this is AtCop12 with AtCop12 Studios. I'm just giving you a basic introduction into scripting. Okay. For reference, I'm going to use some terminology that's technically incorrect. Technically speaking, I'm going to use high level and low levels in the terms of Roblox, but technically speaking, you cannot reach a low level on Roblox because Lua is only high level language, and the lowest we could possibly reach on Roblox is doing everything through a Lua script, and it's not even really Lua, it's simplified Lua, so it's even higher than that. Because low level means it's as far from what we would normally consider user friendly as we can possibly get, and high level is very user friendly, and this includes programming language such as Lua. But I will use it as in terms of Roblox, which would mean that the lowest level we could possibly get is scripting on everything, and the highest level we could possibly get is, say, a gun, where all you can do is click and it shoots. That's the highest level we can get. Lowest level we can get is scripting everything in Lua. So in between there, that's our range. Okay. Now I'm going to give you the basics here. I'm going to start out with how you reference things in Roblox, in Lua, and Roblox in particular. So what we're looking at here is we have two starting points for our references that we have an option normally. There are some exceptions, but normally two options. We can either reference from our script here or from the game, which encompasses all of this here, all of our stuff here. So if I want to reference workspace right here, I can do it two different ways. I can put in script dot parent. See, our parent actually technically refers to this property here, which has workspace in it, but that's a long, complicated version. Basically, parent means whatever is containing this object, and workspace contains our script. And the other way I could do it is to go game dot workspace, and game references everything here. See, everything here. And since workspace is inside of game, I can reference it. It's fairly easy, not very complicated. Now I can adjust, after I've done referencing, I can adjust the properties of something. So see, if I wanted to reference a property of this script here, which I'm just going to go ahead and reference the property disabled here. So if I want to reference disabled, I would put in script, that's my script here, dot, not parent, dot, disabled, and I would make it equal. This is something called a bool value right here. We'll do all this later, but basically check marked is true, uncheck marked is equals false. So I would put disabled equals true, turn it on. Now, this is a fairly simple concept, not that hard with the script, but we got a lot more options with our simply a base plate here. I can change the brick color, I can change the material. So let's say I want to change this material. I don't like plastic, I never have. I don't like that new Roblox plastic look. I want to go for smooth plastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put script dot parent. So now now that I reference back up, I'm going to reference back down to base plate. Okay. And now I'm going to change the brick, no, which is the material of it from plastic to smooth plastic. So I'm going to put material, because that's the property. I'm going to say equals, and then because this is not a bool value, this is what's called a string. So I've got to use that basically. There are a few other options, but I declare string, but that works. Now I'm going to put smooth plastic. This is not actually going to work because Roblox demands that we do more, basically. So what I've actually got to do is put, no wait, that will work. Never mind. I was thinking something else. So I'm going to go ahead and run that script here. And now my material is smooth plastic. See? No errors, just output, your output, expect. Okay. So, now, that's how you reference things. But we need to talk about how to reference. So you reference strings. That's how you reference bool values. We talk about one other kind of value. Well, sort of kind of. We can talk about the numbered values. So actually, two types of numbered values, but it's not really important. Just memorize, because Lua doesn't demand that we declare them. Other languages do, but Lua does not. So that's really convenient for us. But let's say I want to make this have a different type of transparency value here. I would say script dot parent dot dot faceplate dot transparency. It's, let's say 0.5. That's how you reference numbers. You don't need any of the special anything, really. So you change that kind of stuff. Just run it here. And it made it have 0.5 transparency, because I wanted it to. Now, one other thing we need to talk about is functions and methods, which are actually methods are a special type of function. Methods are Roblox defined functions. What a function is, it's well, functions are like code that you write, so you call that function and then it does that code and blah blah blah. Anyway, Roblox has built-in functions called methods that we would declare a method. So like this. Let's say I want to destroy this person. I want it gone. So I would type in destroy, and that is a very simple function, and if I play it, should destroy it. See, it's gone. Out of the blue. The way it does it is it technically makes its parent equal nil. That's, again, technical information. It will be useful to you later, but not at the moment. Another thing we can do is we can make our own functions by writing function death, and it will make up an insert there. Roblox does that for us automatically. I'm going to use a print method, which is a Roblox method, another one. And I'm going to put a string in it. It's going to print out death. Okay, so this print method here prints down to my output down here, that box right there, and it prints the word death because I have a string in it called death, so I can print death. So it prints, but I didn't call it. So see, it's not going to do anything until I call it. So I'm going to go death. Okay, parentheses. Sorry, the one slipped to me for just a moment. And see, well, it says for my plugin here, and then death. Okay. This is all, and I will film more here in just a moment.